Good morning, students. First of all, take out your textbook, Standard First, Mathematics. Backward counting. We know that counting backward is like going down the stairs. Backward counting means going down the stairs, यानी सीढ़ी से नीचे उतरना. And counting from the biggest to smallest. बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर तक काउंट करना. For example, 98, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, etc. Using the backward counting, filling the blanks space. Backward counting से जो blank दी है वो आपको fill करनी है. Then 99, 99 से पहले 98, 98 से पहले 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, then 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. It's called backward counting. Now 81 से पहले 80, 80 से पहले 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. 71 से पहले 70, 70 से पहले 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, then 61, 61 से पहले 60, इससे पहले 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. 41 से पहले 40, 40, 40 से पहले 39, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. 31 से पहले 30, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. 20, 20, 20 से पहले 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. 11 से पहले 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर. मिसिंग नंबर आपको काउंट करना है. 90 डैश डैश 87 यानी बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84. 82 dash 80, then 81. Next 79, 78, 77 and 76. Dash 63 dash 61. बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग है तो 63 से पहले 64, 63 से बाद 61 से पहले 62. नेक्स्ट 60, 59 and 58. 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47. Dash 45, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41 and 40. Ordering, increasing order, decreasing order. Increasing order means small, big, bigger and biggest. Decreasing means big, small, smaller and smallest. Increasing में smallest to biggest and decreasing में biggest to smallest number को अरेंज करना है. 19, 15, 31, 28. Arrange the number in increasing order. Increasing order means smallest टू बिगेस्ट, पहले सबसे छोटा नंबर, फिर उससे बड़ा, देन 19, 15, 31 and 28 में स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 15, बिगर 19, नेक्स्ट 28 and 31, 22, 45, 10 and 56, smallest number is 10, after 10 big number 22, bigger number 45 and biggest number 56, next 73, 87, 62 and 81, the smallest number is 62, then biggest number 73, then 81 and last 87, 98, 60, 20 and 35, then smallest number is 20, biggest number 35, biggest number 60 and 98, 80, 21, 95 and 47, the smallest number is 21, then 47, then 80, then 95, 93, 90, 72, 40, then smallest number is 40, 40, biggest number 72, 90, 90 and 93. Arrange the number in decreasing order. Decreasing means biggest to smallest. पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर, फिर उससे छोटा नंबर, फर्स्ट 20, 23, 32 and 90. The biggest number is 32, then smallest 23, 20 and 90. 42, 54, 37 and 68. The biggest number is 68, then smallest number 54, then 42 and then 37. 81, 79, 82 and 61. The smallest, biggest number is 82, then 81, smallest, then 79 and 61. 35, 55, 45 and 25. The biggest number is 55, then smallest 45, then 35 and last 25. 10, 30, 50 and 80. Then biggest number is 80, then smallest 50, then 30, then 10. 99, 43, 87 and 24. The smallest number is 90, biggest number is 99, then smallest 87, then 43, then 24. Write true or false. 68 greater than 56, greater than 23 and greater than 20. True, biggest number is 68. 92 less than 91, less than 90, less than 87. False, because 92 is the biggest number. 76 less than 80, less than 85, less than 90. 90 is the biggest number. True. 31 greater than 29, greater than 28, greater than 22. 31 is the biggest number. True. 21 less than 30, less than 52, less than 60. 60 is the greater number. True. How much do you know? पूरे लेसन में से आप क्या सीखे? फर्स्ट राइट द नंबर नेम्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स. नंबर नेम्स में स्पेलिंग लिखनी है. 56 56 56, FIFTY SIX 56. 79 SEVENTY 70 NINE 9. 81 EIGHTY ONE 81. 98 NINETY EIGHT 8. 43 FORTY 40 THR 67 SIXTY SEVEN 7. 67. Filling the box. Dash equals 9 tens, 9 ones. 9 tens, 9 ones equal 99. 3 tens, 6 1 equal 36. 4 tens, 5 ones equal 45. 6 tens, 2 ones equal 62. 98 equals dash tens, dash ones. 9 tens, 8 ones. 6 dash tens, dash ones. 0 tens and 6 ones. 25 dash tens, dash ones. 2 tens, 5 ones. 86 dash tens, dash ones. 8 tens, 6 ones. Draw beads on the abacus to show the numbers. 73, then 3 beads on ones road and 7 beads on tens road. 82, 2 beads on ones road and 8 beads on tens road. 110, 6 1, 110, tens 1 and 6 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Put the correct sign greater than, less than, equal to. 22 37, 37 is a greater number. 48 45, 48 is greater. 30 and 30, 30 is a greater. 98 98 equal. 74 and 82, 82 is a greater number. 54 and 45, 54 is a greater number. Write the number that comes before, after and between. Then dash 60, 59, 87 dash 88, 38 dash 40, 39, 49 dash 50 dash 70, 69, 53, 54, 55. Arrange the number in increasing order. Increasing order means smallest to biggest. 69, 79, 99 and 89. The smallest number is 69. Then before number 79, then 89, then 99. Next 25, 9, 18 and 17. The smallest number is 9. Then biggest 18, then 25 and then 17. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing means biggest to smallest. 65, 85, 95 and 55. The biggest number is 95, then 85, then 65 and then smallest 55. 34, 18, 43, 8. The biggest number is 43, then smallest 34, then 18, then 8. Write backward counting. 27, then 26, 25, 24, 23, 22 and 21. Dash 19, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Put the correct sign greater than, less than, equal. 3 tens, 9 ones. 39, 9 tens, 3 ones. 93. Which number is a greater? 93. 8 ones, 0. 8 tens, 0 ones. 80 and 80 ones means 80 equal. 4 tens, 2 ones. 42 and 30 ones yani 30. 42 is a greater. 6 tens, 5 ones. 65. 5 tens, 6 ones. 56. 65 is a greater. Then your lesson number 7 is complete here.